softer than usual, so probably dug in a little bit.
It is soft. That's why I gotta hit the wall, man.
Oh, that's good recovery.
What it is out here today.
Yeah, it's gonna be 91 after lunch. It'll be right around.
How's it going?
Oh, it's pretty good, you know.
Sweet.
Just can't see. There.
Yeah, no.
Oh, there we go. Oh, here's some pricing.
Oh, now I can't see.
Can you go up the middle, Chandler?
I think so. I'm ready for carnage.
Huh?
I'm ready for carnage.
I guess I'll drive you home.
Just do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Other time I didn't make it.
You'll make it.
Uh-oh. On neutral. That's not neutral. Cool. I'll take it. Yeah. Thanks. I'd count it.
Yeah, that's...
There's heat in your tire.
Yeah. It's like just dragging my frame the rest of the way. Feels like you're water skiing in dirt, just plowing around your boots. Alright, I want to try it again. Oh, geez, I really can't see. Uh-oh. Oh, oh no. Rip! That was awesome. I just did a 360. And I covered my bike in dirt. Well, I guess we're not going the way that I thought we were. But it's okay. Alright, I want an engine here. That's gonna be interesting. Okay, back down we go. Sorry again. And back down we go. I was trying not to go this way because of that wash, but now I don't know if we have an option. This way's not any better. Okay. No, that way. Thank you. What's up?
Oh, that's awesome.
Nice.
Yeah. All right, now to get back down.
Yep.
Nice little rest.
Oh,
Got a master here.
that was actually pretty smooth. I've lost pressure in my rear brake a few times.
Oh, really?
I think I fixed it now, but every time I'm like about to drop it, I'm like pushing it like it's there. That would be horrible. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a bug. Nice. Oh! Oh! Shoot. You good, dude?
That was fun. Freaking clipped a big old rock.
Yeah, that was wild.
Yeah, it landed on me a couple times.
It looked like it hit you right in the head.
Head dead. And my knee. And my arm. At least it's not my bad knee.
Yeah,
Now I might have two.
exactly.
You missed the show, dude.
Nice front flip.
Thanks, man. I've been practicing.
Practicing.
I was really hoping the bike wasn't going to land on me, and then it landed on me. Goodness.
Just kick a man while he's down.
Right? Now my radiator's bent. Oh, I'm leaking gas. Dude, I think I'm fine. That's freaking awesome. I was like, don't get hurt. I'm like, okay, I won't.
It's not in my control.
Dude, literally, you see my line, I went off the side and just clipped that rock, and then it just sunk me right in, man.
I know, I didn't think about the soft part because I was looking back at you and I was like, oh, you made it past that part, he's good. And I like just kept watching, and then I like saw your front end sink. I was like, oh shoot.
That's the way she goes out here, you know?
Just when you think you're safe.
Oh dude, I'm so glad I'm not hurt. It literally like landed right on my knee and shoved it into my chest.
Oh.
It hit my head. I need to take my helmet off, get all the dirt out. Hey, breakaway levers worked. Yes, sir. I think we're golden, boys.
Mine literally break away.
Right? Alrighty. Well, this is embarrassing.
Oh no! We're going for round 2. God, now I can't bump start. Oh. Snap. That looks fun. Oh yeah. That was satisfying. Wow, this is like really smooth. Just want to like ruin it, you know? What if we follow him? Yeah! We're in neutral. I don't know what that looks like, but it feels so weird.
That was a tight turn. Yeah, really.
It's like you're like falling back this way and you start sliding up the hill. So weirdest feeling. I'm gonna see if I can do it again with the GoPro on. Oh my god.